the host network. So it's very simple. So let's get an analogy. Four friends, two male and two female, sit at a table sharing one big plate. Everyone eat from the same plate. This can be compared with the host path, where a plate act as a file and all the table act as a node. So anyone available on that table is having that meal. Now imagine a separate scenario where a Pepsi machine is mounted outside the means there are four rooms, and in a hall a Pepsi machine is mounted. So from that vending machine everyone able to take a Pepsi and go to their respective rooms. So this is like a host network where Pepsi machine, where Pepsi vending machine is act as a mounting path, and all the rooms person is sharing a Pepsi from there. So it's a classic example of the host network. So let's understand with the help of YAML files, and let's see you in Killer Coda.
So we have opened the Killer Coda session. There you go with the Killer Coda. Just come with me in a Killer Coda. Just search Neokloud. I already created a scenario for you. So there are many scenarios, but just go to this 13 scenario, and there you will find a new NFS volume. You click this. All thing is ready, man. No need to worry for anything. So in this scenario, you will set up an NFS server, install NFS client tool on a node, which is required because we need to set up a NFS means network file system for that, and create a Kubernetes pod that directly mount NFS volume. So verified data flow end to end. So whatever requirement, we are going to fulfill that, and whatever the things require, already organize that for your easiness. So just we are creating a directory. So in a control plane, we are creating this directory, and then this P is persistent. Now sudo chmod -r 777. What this command do? This changes the permission for the folder. R applies the changes to the folder and everything inside it, and 777 means everyone can read, write and execute in that directory. It is not good for the security point of view, but for the sake of simplicity and understanding the concept, we are doing this. So it's convenient for NFS demos. So now we are going to update the package. So sudo apt update. So this refreshes your system package list, and it's like checking the online repositories and get the latest information about the software, whatever the available. So sudo, and now we are going to install NFS server. So just copy this command. It will take a little time. So in this way, you are adding the services responsible for exporting directory, handling NFS request, and managing communication between client and the shared folder. So hope it's installed successfully. So now this a long command. So sometime instead of let's break this command into a smaller chunk. So echo, that's a print the text and describe the NFS shares, and that is the folder you want to share, and this is the means any client IP can access it, and RW read write allows read write access, sync forces data to be written to the disk before reply sent. It is a little slower and safer, and no subtree check means it avoid the extra check if only a part of file system is exported. So this is the sudo t means it parallelly append this line to etc export with the proper permission. You can use it in normal redirection also, but okay. So now next command is sudo export rav. So this command reload and applies the NFS export setting. R is reads export all entries of the list. We print the detail. So it basically apply all NFS share rules right now and show the result. So it is just viewing what is NFS is sharing. So we is a verbose. So go to the next. So install NFS client tool. In every node you need to install, especially on which node that pod is available, that this is to be done. But here there are two nodes, so we will install this in all the nodes. So here actually it is not required because node is not, but now as such as node 01. So here also this package is contain everything that the client machine need to mount NFS share, and it does not start an NFS server. It simply let your system connect to one. So control L. So next step is creating the pod. So this command make a YAML file, and then we need to, sorry, here is a small mistake that server need to change. So I already applied it, so no worries. Okay, delete. So here I need to change the server, because here we had created that directory that in a control plane node 7230.1.2 is our server. So path is srv nfs demo. If you see, we already created this file srv nfs demo, and here volume shared data, and this is the shared data. So this is the path. So now I'll just wq, and now k apply -f neo. So pod is created, k get pods. So here it is in container creating state. Let's wait for a few seconds. So wait, it is started now. So I'll grep also, mount grep. So you will not find here, but in node 01 if you paste, you will. So now our exit into the writer, and here in ls data we'll cat that index.html. So this is written, so I'll exit it. So I'll in paste, and here in nginx path I'll cat this file. So you'll see the same result, cat nginx. Here tab will not work, so you need to write. Okay, so I'll exit it also, and if I'll cat my file here, so the same file is sharing. So in this way you can means it's a scenario. So suppose this is the file is mounted, so everyone can able to take. If this is a network, then this can take, this can also take. So thank you so much for your love and support, and there are so many more, and now we are creating few things in a very different way. So might be good or bad, but I believe in experiment. So happy learning.